guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, in today's video I'll show you guys how I transform my hair from this straight ends to coily ends over here. So guys, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a video. And you know the drill, guys. I'll see you in my next one. So guys, what we're going to use for this hair tutorial is the flexi rod. So guys, I'll show you guys how to coil the hair. So you pick some, and I'm going for something shorter. So using this length, I'll place it over here. I'll use this to hold it, to secure it tightly, and I'll start rolling it on the flexi rod like this. Twist and turn, 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 twist and turn until you get to the end of the hair, and you bend the other parts of the flexi rod. So guys, this is what I would be doing for everything. So guys, this is what it looks like. So I'll be repeating this here, right here. Let me just show you guys the process again. So you just section the hair, pick one flexi rod. I'm going for something short, so I'm going to place it here. You bend it here to like secure it tightly. Then you hold the remaining extension on the flexi rod. Just twist and turn. Twist and turn, twist and turn. Twist on it tightly. Twist and turn. Twist and turn. Twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn. Twist and turn. Then you bend the other parts of the flexi rod to secure that side. So guys, this is how it looks like, and we'll be soaking it in water. Be careful when doing this, guys. So you dip it into water like this, and you use your towel to like dab on it. So that's what I'll be doing for everything, and I'll show you when I finish dipping it into water. This is the end result of the video. So guys, you can also transform your hair from straight ends to coily ends. So guys, do it to like my video, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.